this assessment asks us how many electrons beryllium needs to lose in order to achieve a noble gas configuration. If we look at where beryllium is in the periodic table, we note that it's in group 2. And so by losing one electron, it will become like lithium. By losing a second electron, it will become like helium. This is evident from the electron configuration where we see that beryllium has 2 valence electrons. By losing both of those, it will go from being 2s2 to 1s2. And 1s2, of course, matches the configuration of helium. So beryllium will lose 2 electrons, in the process becoming beryllium 2+, and will have an electron configuration similar to the noble gas helium.